there, little friends. Meet Bibi the bunny, a sweet white bunny with fluffy fur, long floppy ears, big blue eyes, and a pink nose. She's wearing her yellow t-shirt and mint green shorts and is so excited for a bus ride. Look! Bibi hops toward a big, bright yellow bus in a pastel town square with rounded houses and a warm sun. The doors open with a cheerful ding, and Bibi hops in. As the bus moves, sing along with Bibi. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Sparkles dance around the wheels. The wipers go swish, swish, swish. Friends wave from the windows. The engine goes vroom, vroom, vroom. The doors go open and shut. A baby cries wah, wah, wah. And kind Bibi comforts them while Mommy soothes. Floating musical notes, soft particle sparkles, gentle wind, and bouncy animation fill the scene. Smooth lip sync, friendly expressions, and a cheerful xylophone backbeat keep it playful and safe. The bus arrives at a pastel playground where all Bibi's friends gather. Everyone sings the final chorus together. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. What a happy, wholesome adventure with Bibi the bunny!